Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can reply on your threads. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your threads. Now go to your account. Here you can see your threads. Now you have to choose your threads and press on these three dots. Now here you can see who can reply and quote. Press on this. From here you can choose any option to manage who can reply on your threads. I'm choosing here anyone. So this is how to manage who can reply on your threads. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.